Good morning. This is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson with your weekly weather briefing this Thursday, March 6th, 2025. We're talking about the severe storms that are possible Saturday in our south. I'll be talking about another storm system on Wednesday, how we're supposed to be warmer than normal by midweek, and give a brief update on the rivers where there's only a couple that still remain in flood. Okay, for today through Friday, it'll be nice, dry weather, a little bit cooler than normal, and we'll have high pressure surface and aloft that'll be moving from our west all the way across east. This graphic shows the surface high that'll be centered over the Florida and Georgia state line by Friday morning. And this will result again in dry weather for us with a gradual warming trend, and we'll start to get moisture return after Friday. The cold front will be dropping south through our CWA early Saturday morning, while a low pressure system over the southern plains tracks east. This graphic's meant to show the increase in precipitation chances across our area with a low pressure system over Texas that'll be moving east during the day. Rain chances will increase Friday night and continue to increase across the region Saturday and Saturday night. There will be a chance for isolated severe storms, mainly across our south Saturday afternoon and evening. The main threat for the storm will be hail up to the size of quarters and then damaging wind gusts as well. There is the potential, as some of the models indicate, that the area of marginal severe threat will be expanded perhaps as far north as the Interstate 20 corridor. Also, there is a chance that we'll have an upgrade to a slight across our Highway 84 corridor, basically from Natchez to Brookhaven and down across Hattiesburg area. Will all be possible by Saturday afternoon and evening. It should be dry weather in between Sunday and Tuesday night, but by Wednesday, another low pressure system over the Central Plains will be approaching our region. This system is currently expected to bring rain to mainly the northern half of our county warning area on Wednesday and Wednesday night. But this system is still several days away, and it could eventually bring another additional threat of severe storms, and perhaps mainly across the northern portions of the area, but it's still too early to tell. In addition, after the storm system on Saturday, Sunday will be cooler than normal, but we'll be warming Monday and Tuesday ahead of this Wednesday system, and we'll be warming to above normal temperatures. When it's all said and done from the system on Saturday night and Wednesday night, the 7-day rainfall amounts are showing generally less than an inch across the Arklamis region. There could be additional rainfall, especially across the Highway 82 corridor, where a consensus of the models indicates potential for higher rainfall rates. And those rainfall rates look to be maybe an inch to an inch and a quarter. As far as the rivers go, we're still seeing flooding on the Mississippi River at Natchez, but this flooding is expected to end tonight. So we may be able to drop the flood warning with the river flood warning update this evening. An additional river point at Walnut Grove on the Tuscaloosa Creek over in northeast Mississippi will go into flood later this afternoon, but for a brief time period, may only be in flood for a day or two, but we're expecting minor flooding later today on the Walnut Grove at Tuscaloosa Creek. In summary, talked a little bit about the severe storm potential that we're expecting Saturday across our southern portions of the area. Another storm system is slated for Wednesday that may bring an additional potential for severe weather, but it's still too early to call. And other than that, we're looking for warmer than normal temperatures at least by middle of next week, but also through much of our forecast period. And there's only a couple local rivers that remain in flood. This concludes this week's multimedia weather briefing. And as always, thanks for viewing.